Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Living Tiny in Narok. So today I want you to join me as I go and take my YouTube pin. Yes, from the Narok poster. Yes, so we have a poster here in Narok, a postal office or what you like call it. Yes, so I'm going to Narok town to collect my YouTube pin. Yes, so let's go together guys. So I have my transport machine here. Yeah, you see, I took it to the car wash guys. Look how good it's looking. Yes, the lovely machine is here to take me to Narok town. Yes, so watch till the end and see how I go to the town and maybe collect my pin guys. Yes, so I'm in Narok town currently, heading to the poster. Yes, so at least I've left my bike with my mechanic. So I want you guys to see how Narok town looks. Yes, so this is a famous Narok town. Yes, so this is a town that we depend on when it comes to buying things, buying food, facilities, services and everything. Yes, it's a really beautiful town, I'm telling you. Yes, so I'm heading to the poster. Yes, as you can see, very lovely buildings and everything. Yes, look at how clean the town is. Maybe for those who really want to see Narok town and are wondering, how does this Narok town look? Yes, so if you're planning to come to Narok, this is how the town looks like. Yes, so let me show you as I head to the poster. Yes, yes, look at the buildings. So there are many hotels in Narok town because of what can I say, tourists going to Masai Mara. Yes, so this is how the town looks. As you can see, I'm continuing to gain confidence even in YouTube. Yes, I hope no one will feel bad if I take a video of them. Oh man, I had this. Yes, and also there's lots of trucks, as you can see, and they are usually cows. I don't know, today I haven't seen a cow here in Narok town, but mostly there is usually cows. Look at our mall. So this is a famous Narok town mall. Yes, this is a famous Narok town mall. You can go there, eat pizza and have fun there. Yes, so this is the biggest mall in Narok town. I don't know if there is another town. There's another mall, but that's the mall. Yes, so it's a simple town. All the banks are here, KCB, nini sema takugoteana sawa, video tu ya YouTube, video ya YouTube ni video ya YouTube sawa. So it's just a guy maybe wondering what am I doing. So there is also some hotels like that one, where when you come to the mall you can take a drink or maybe take some food. Yes, this is how the town is looking. I think it's a clean town. Parking is usually a challenge, you see. You have to park on the side of the road. Parking as usual, it's it's a big challenge here in Narok town. Yes, but there's many places to park. And also the city council, hey, they are no joke. Like just the other day, one of the city councils here, and they don't wear any uniform by the way. One of the city councils ate my money, 200 shillings. That's like $2. But I later reversed the money. Yes. When they harass you, just pay them with M-Pesa. Then you can just reverse the money. Yes, so also there is a lot of traffic in Narok town, as you can see. Traffic is a normal thing here in Narok town. Yes. Yes, so I think the more I'm doing YouTube, the more I'm gaining confidence. Yes. So this is the senator's building. Yes. You know the Narok senator? That's his new building there. Very lovely building. Yes. So there we go. That's the poster office. Yes. Let me just cross here. Yes. Let me cross. As you can see, there's a lot of tourist vehicles everywhere. Yes. Yes, so we are there. Is a Narok poster. Yes, so I'm going to collect my pin for YouTube here. So let's go. Yes. Yes, so this is the office, in the post office. Yes. Finally, guys, we are at the Narok post office. So this is how it looks outside. So that's the senator's big building there. Yes. So when you come to Masai Mara to visit, this is how the town looks. Yes. Niaje? Natafuta kevo. Sangapi? Ameenda home? Yeah. Mimi ndo naitwa Samuel. I think amenipigia lakini ilikuwa kwa bike. So kwa aje? Leo nimeamua kwa market. Poster, the best poster in Kenya. Ni poster ya Narok. Si ninawaambia mko vizuri. Haina shida basi. Sitakurecord. Sawa. Yangu ni Samuel Chege. Yes, so just received my pin from the poster, as you can see there. Yes, so they've charged me 500 shillings, which is around $5. It's okay. Yes, so I'm heading home now. Yes, so we are back home. Yes, I've just got the YouTube pin. I've just opened it. So this is how a YouTube pin looks like. Yes, as you can see, this is what Google sends you. Have Jerry here. Very excited. So this is how the YouTube pin looks like. No Jerry. So with my details. Yeah, so I posted it direct to the Narok postal code there. Yes, so you can send anything via this postal code and just pick it from the post office. Yes, so this is how the YouTube pin looks like. This is the back. Yes, Google AdSense. Yes, and now the inside, though I've covered the pin itself. Pin is just 4 digits. Yes, so inside the pin looks exactly like this. Yes, so you have your verification code where I've covered. Yes, so basically that's how the pin looks like. The pin looks like. Yes, so if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Keep on watching our videos and enjoying, guys. So see you in the next video. So bye bye.